The Vuthisa Biochar Initiative, footage of week 1. Here we see the different feedstock sizes being placed into the 55-gallon drums. Heavy lids completely seal off the 55-gallon drums. Note the handle in the center. It acts as an anchor point for lifting biochar-filled drums out of the kilns using our own tripod. The fuel wood is then top lit to create the heat into the retorts. After some 25 minutes, the airflow is restricted into the kiln. The lid in the chimney is added to control the burn after 35 minutes to 1 hour, depending on various factors. Internal 55-gallon barrel retorts enters the exothermic stage. The kiln is left to burn out the fuel wood overnight and allowed to cool down. Temperatures get up to 600 degrees Celsius. The pyrolyzed barrels are then lifted out of the ring kiln with our tripod, and we use 4.8 meter eucalyptus poles, 50 by 75 millimeter diameter. Each empty drum weighs 30 kilograms plus the biochar, which can weigh up to 25 kilograms. The double purchase system halves the load that's being lifted out of the kiln. We increase residence times to char large-sized feedstock. In some instances, pieces as thick as 15 centimeters can be pyrolyzed. Here we see the result of that pyrolysis of the different feedstock sizes.